Behind our success, there are some extraordinary women who chose to move forward no matter what. Some started small, some late, but सबने शुरू किया अपने ऊपर भरोसा करके। ये है उनकी जर्नी, सपनों के पीछे भागने की, खुद पर विश्वास रखने की। तो चलिए देखते हैं डिजिट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रेजेंट्स फैंटास्टिक फेबल्स। उनकी कहानी, उनकी जुबानी।
I come from a small town in Jharkhand, which is called Dhanbad. It's a mining town, not a lot of opportunities there. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. I completed my schooling from Dhanbad. Academics was the only way we knew. I mean, उसके अलावा कुछ और था नहीं खास. अच्छी पढ़ाई करी 12th तक, अच्छे marks आए, तो went on to good colleges in India. Did my BCom first from Delhi University. Then I completed my MBA from IIM Bangalore. After I completed my college, I stepped into the corporate world, moved to different cities for jobs. I lived in Bombay, I moved to Bangalore, and now I'm here at Digit. I am currently an AVP at Digit, working in the central sales strategy team. Since I've joined Digit, it has been 2 years when the company was starting, and since then I have done multiple things here. I work with the retail sales head to define what kind of strategy and we should be looking at, what markets, what will work, what kind of performance management we should be targeting. Beyond that, I also work as the lead project manager, so I work on new product launches which requires coordination between multiple departments to ensure that the projects are delivered on time, so that we have a healthy pipeline of products to be sold. Digit is a company which is completely meritocracy based culture in the company. So whether you are a man or a woman, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If आप में talent है, आप में you are motivated and you are able to do the job, your gender doesn't matter, and you will get the same amount of the opportunities. You will have ample of career growth opportunities in Digit. So that is a great part. Also, I mean, इसको और reinforce करता है the fact that our sister company, Digit General Insurance, whose CEO, Justine Kohli, is a woman, and she is an inspiration for a lot of women, not just within the organization, but even from women from the same industry and even outside the insurance industry. I think my experience at Digit has been extremely enriching. So every day is a proud day for me because I feel satisfied at the end of the day before I go home after work. Things are happening mostly on time. People are appreciating the work. People are acknowledging the fact that me and my team, we add value to the company. So I think the fact that it reinforces every day, I think that makes me super proud of the work that I'm doing. I think trusting yourself is the most important thing. आपको खुद पे भरोसा रखना है कि आप स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, आप काबिल हो कि आप चीज़ें कर सकते हो. सारी ड्रीम्स जो भी आपकी हैं, यू कैन चेज देम, यू कैन फॉलो देम, यू कैन फुलफिल देम. Trusting in yourself and being confident. Of course, there will be times where there will be challenges in life. आपको support नहीं मिलेगा, you will feel disheartened, or you will have self-doubt, but the only thing you have to remember is that you have to keep going, have that confidence, resiliently, that you grow, and while you are building a career, you have to keep learning, seek mentors, make connections, make friends that pull you up. That is very important. आप लोगों के साथ रहोगे, you'll be kind to people. I think that will come back to you in many ways. So I think that's my message to all women around.